A quick review today of this Aliexpress find. This is a do-it-yourself power bank. It costs €3 shipped, which is quite cheap. In the package you get this power bank housing without the batteries, and of course you get a back shell, which when you clip in it is really hard to open it again, so keep that in mind. It is made of matte plastic, quite a high quality. You have a button on the side, more about it later. On the front we have the screen, which is quite a simple. You have 100%, 75, 50, 25. And a really cool thing, and the main reason why I got this is because it has this beautiful transparent plastic. You can see the internals, really looks unique, and for €3 I was like, okay, let's try this. The specifications are 5 volts, 2 amps output and input, nothing special, but reasonable for the price. To power this on, you will need a 3 of these 1865 cells. I got 3 of these LG models, which are 10 amps peak. The better cells you get, the more power your power bank will have. These are tested and they are quite good, so let's put it inside of a power bank and try it on. The negative side is going on the spring. Okay, it is on 100%. Let's close the housing. Okay, I didn't try this before, but it clipped really well, and I think that to open this it will be really hard without damaging the housing. So beware regarding that, but for €3 it is not a big deal. So for €3 you get this quite a beautiful power bank. This front side screen, let's call it like that, looks really beautiful. To power on the power bank, just press this button here and it is on. You have these four LED indicators for charging and power bank battery state. On the top we have USB-A out, so this is used to output the power. We have micro USB in, type C in, and USB 2 out. And this is my major complaint here. There is no type C out, so you need to use only USB type A cables, with other side being like C, micro USB, and so on. Let's do a quick test. We have a Xiaomi power bank, which is let's check it. It shows that it is nearly full, sadly, but let's see how everything works with this like example. I have an energy meter, so let's power it on. So we see that it outputs 5 volts with 0.26 amps. Nothing special, but the power bank is nearly full, so this is completely normal when the charge is nearly at the end. Let's try something else. I have here my Mi Band 7 Pro. Let's test it out. Again, we have a 5 volts output with 0.3 amps. Completely normal, considering the Mi Band is having a small battery, so the amperage which can accept is not really that high. So let's try something else again. Here I'm charging my iPhone with 5 volts and 1.1 amperes. It is powering a wireless charger because I was unable to get more power draw from my iPhone because the battery is nearly full. But here we see that it can output more than 1 amps, but let's try 2 amps load. Okay, this is 5 volt 2 amps setup for 2 amps load. I have this external power for my Sony A6000. It needs to be minimally 5 volts 2 amps, because anything under that the camera won't work. So this is a prime test. There is a problem with a meter. If attached, it won't work. I don't know why, but like this it will work. So I did power on the power bank, turn on the camera, and voila, it works. Also, the prime test is if the camera will record. Oops. And we see we have recording, the power bank is working, so everything works fine. So this proves that this power bank can output 5 volts 2 amps. So regarding that, everything is fine. For €3, this is a great purchase if you like these do-it-yourself things. I hope you enjoyed watching. Consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.